So guys, just take a look at this meat. Nigeria don't spoil you. Can you believe that this meat was gotten for just 1,500? This used to be for about 1,000 naira, but I got this for 1,500. Things are really expensive. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time, you're welcome to Anabi's Kitchen and Bake. If you've not subscribed, please do right to hit the subscribe button, to like, share, and to comment. To know when I upload a new video, don't forget to turn on your notification button. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make the simplest Ogbono soup. The simplest and the sweetest Ogbono soup ever. So you're going to stay right there and watch this video while we dive into it. So I'm going to show you guys the ingredients that you'll be needing in making the soup. You just need few ingredients for the soup, okay? So here I have my seasoning cube and salt, though I'm not using this quantity of salt. I'm going to measure it out. So I have my periwinkle and my diced onions. I have my half blended crayfish, and this is the mother of the occasion. This is Ogbono, and here is my stockfish, poor man stockfish, and my bomo. Of course, what is Nigerian soup without bomo? And this is the palm oil that we'll be using for this soup. Here is my well grounded pepper with a little touch of onions. I love to grind my pepper with onions, and my meat. Of course, what is Ogbono soup without dry fish? This is what we're using. So without wasting time, let's just rush down into the cooking of the soup. Like, I'm craving to have this meal right now. Let's go into the cooking process. So this is our Ogbono. I'm going to mix the palm oil